Let me quickly show you how I created this text portrait effect using Adobe Photoshop. Press Ctrl plus J or Command J to duplicate the layer. Go to Filter, go to Blur, and then go to Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 10. Go to File, then go to Save As. Now, save it as filter. Now, this layer is not needed anymore. Delete it. Now, select the text tool and add your text. Change the font color to black. Right click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Distort Displace. Change the horizontal and then the vertical to 20 each. And select the file that we saved earlier. Now place the image above this layer. Hold Option key on Mac and Alt key on Windows and click here to create a clipping mark. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Pick black and send it to the bottom of the layers. That's the end. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also check out other tutorials on my channel. Thank you for your support.